Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl IJ. If this is your first time being here, you're most definitely welcome. So today I'm excited about this look that I'm about to create. This is my first time using glitters, so we're just going to see how we created this look. So I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup Body and Face Glitter. I picked this up from TJ Maxx the other day, so I decided to try it, and I'm going to use this one right here, the very last one at the bottom. So if you want to see how I created this look, just keep on watching and I will talk to you guys at the end of it. Thank you. So guys, this is the finished look. Let me know what your thoughts are by leaving me a comment in the comment section below. I won't lie to you guys, this is one of the best look I have done so far in my entire life of makeup. Seriously, I love this look from I think this used to be my go-to makeup look. Seriously, what do you guys think about this? Like, leave me a comment in the comment section down below, and thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you guys in my next video. And if you're not part of the family yet and you think you want to support me in any way, you can support me by subscribing. So go ahead and subscribe, and then do not forget to turn on the notification button, the little bell button beside the subscription button, so that when I upload, you will be the first to know. Thank you so very much for watching this video. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you and have a blessed day.